Hello everybody, I'm Seth Weissman and welcome to another episode of Safe Real Estate. Today we are going to talk about how does the seller revise a seller's property disclosure statement once the parties are under contract. And I had an interesting question the other day from a realtor who said the seller was originally going to leave an item, but they have now changed their mind and they want to take the item with them. And the question that the realtor asked was, can the seller simply give the buyer a new seller's property disclosure statement which shows that the item is now leaving? And the answer to this question, of course, is no, you cannot do that. And the reason that that's the case is that the parties are already under contract with a contractual agreement as to what stays and what goes. And if you then have a situation where the seller now wants to change that, that would require an amendment to the purchase and sale agreement signed by the buyer and signed by the seller. Now, sellers are, though, required to disclose and update the seller's property disclosure statement to reflect any changes in that statement until the date of closing. So if you have a situation where something which was working fine now breaks or the property suddenly floods, the seller would be obligated to disclose that. And that's a unilateral disclosure, but it may give the buyer a right to terminate the contract if the condition of the property is now no longer the same as it was on the date of offer. So the bottom line is changes in the condition of the property have to be always disclosed, and that duty exists up through the date of closing, but a seller cannot just change what property stays and what property goes. I hope this episode of Safe Real Estate has been beneficial. As always, it's great to see you. Please continue to tune in. Bye now.